and the paragraph alignment are these four tools that we have here. This tool enables you to distribute off your typed text in the margins evenly in your created document. That is, all your paragraphs that you've typed in your Word document, you can use this alignment options to organize them to suit your margins that are created or set up in your Word document. So the first alignment option is called the align left, which goes with the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+L. The screen tip says align your content with the left margin. Left alignment is commonly used for body text and makes the document easier to read. So as said, for body text you can use the alignment option, which is the left alignment, to organize your content. Now when I click in this paragraph or triple click 1 2 3 and choose this option, you can see that this has aligned this text to the left margin of my Word document. So this is the starting of my margin and this is the end of my margin. But when you look at the end of this text, they are not fitting or matching to this particular margin. This is because I have used the align left option, which is focusing on the left margin. When you move to the second one, this is called the center alignment, and the screen tip says center your content on the page. And center alignment gives documents a formal appearance and is often used for cover pages, quotes, and sometimes headings. So let's assume I want to have some heading before this paragraph. I'll press the enter key and type some heading. Now this is the heading I want to have for this paragraph. If I click and have the cursor in this line of text, automatically Microsoft Word will identify that this cursor is in this particular line. Therefore, if I choose this command, this is going to move this heading to the center of this particular document. If I choose left alignment, it moves to the left side. That is going to focus on the left margin. Center, and as you can see, so this is called the center alignment. And as said, it is purposely used for cover pages, quotes, and sometimes headings. The next one is called the right alignment or align right. Right alignment is used for small sections of content such as text in a header and footer. Now if I move to this end of this page, you can see that I have this footer here. When you double click, this is going to activate the footer option, and we have the name given to it here. This is the footer. So you can see that I have this page number aligned to the right. So if I move to this section, you can see that it is selected as right, but if I click left, it moves to the left side, center, and right. So this is also purposely focused whenever you are dealing with the header and footer option and you want to have some content displayed in that section. You can use the right alignment, and that is going to move this to the right side of your Word document. You can also apply it to a paragraph. If I select this paragraph and choose right, this focuses my text to the right margin, and you can see that this side is not matching the left margin. So know when to use these tools on the alignment option. The last one is called the justify. This distributes your text evenly between the margins. Justify text gives your document clean crisp edges so it looks more polished. So if I want to match all my text to fit these margins that we have here, which are the left and also the right, then I'm going to choose justify, and that is going to help me to have this kind of polished look of my content or my text in my Word document.